Hi, Angela Dillmon here with your market moment from Keller Realty Chesterfield. Glen Calvin here at Guild Mortgage because I brought him in today for the market moment because
Big news.
I heard the Fed cut the rates, so I'm expecting the rates to fall. Glenn, what is your prediction for 2026?
All right, I got it. They did cut it only a quarter. And again, what they cut is what they charge banks for overnight money, which has a direct effect on auto loans, credit cards, personal loans, installment loans. It has a corollary effect on mortgages. But in his announcement, Powell said something interesting, and that is that they're going to start buying mortgage-backed securities.
So the more they affect the bond market, the more it affects the bond market, the better the rate, right?
Right. It's supply and demand, and right now they're going to create that demand by buying those treasury bills and mortgage-backed securities, which they haven't done since the pandemic.
Oh, right. Okay, so you're saying the environment is right for me to see maybe some 5% interest rates in 2026.
Well, nobody can predict the future, but I do feel like the Federal Reserve is aware that there's an affordability issue going right now, and a lot of it has to do with the mortgage rates.
All right, so if you're thinking about moving at all, you're going to see, I believe, in 2026 some better rates. And if that's the case, we are going to see home prices rise again.
Yes.
They've been rising every spring, even in this market.
So,
St. Louis market is 10% low consistently on inventory for single-family homes. We're seeing price increases, so get in the game now before they go up, because you can always refinance, right?
you can, and you know it's interesting. St. Louis, because of the way the title insurance is set up, refinancing is very affordable compared to other parts of the country. And you're right, because the rates coming down, it's a double-edged sword, because that's going to bring a lot of buyers that couldn't afford into the market. It's going to put pressure on those prices to keep going up, because like you said, the low inventory.
There you go.
Deal with the professionals, right?
There you go. Buy now. If you're thinking about it all, let's do an analysis on your house, on the equity in the house you own. If you're a first-time home buyer, let's talk to Glenn and look at the zero-down programs there. All right. Have a happy New Year and wonderful holidays, and we'll see you soon. Okay.